Yeah? Or at least mayroon kang gaya. So that you wake up early in the morning. Kasi alam mo may gagawin ka. For practical reason, bakit gigising ka ba ng maaga kung wala kang naisip na gagawin? Gigising ka ba? Wala. Okay, you get out from that bed before it will become too much comfortable. Okay? After all, hindi naman tayo pinanganak para matulog lang. Ha? There must be a purpose why you were born. Of all possible people, of all possible to be born into this world, bakit ikaw, bakit tayo? More so that there must be a purpose why we were born as Filipinos. Bakit hindi ka naging isang Koreano, Amerikano, Hapon? Yeah? And that purpose is what keeps us going every day. Yeah? Importante yan. Sabay, hindi pa kayo pinapanganak. No? Anong birthday mo ba, Mr. Purpose?